Meet the immortal jellyfish, nature's secret to eternal life. 1. The Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish, can revert to its juvenile form. 2. This jellyfish thrives in warm, shallow waters, often found in tropical and subtropical regions. 3. It possesses a unique ability to undergo transdifferentiation, essentially starting its life cycle anew. 4. Scientists study this jellyfish to understand cellular regeneration and the aging process in humans. 5. The immortal jellyfish challenges our understanding of life, aging, and the potential for biological immortality. Subscribe for more fascinating insights into nature and science.